Hi everyone, my name is Laura Estrada. I'm a fashion designer and natural dyer. Join me in this online workshop to discover all the natural colors that we have around us. In this workshop, you're going to learn what is a natural dye, how to prepare the fabric, what is a dye stuff, how to mordant the fabric, and the process of extraction of the color and then applying the color to the fabric. I'm also going to give you some tips of how to take care of natural dye fabric. So don't lose the opportunity to learn about natural dyes and connect with nature in a way that you have never imagined before. This online workshop is now available on my website.